Hey guys, once again, I've uploaded so many videos so far. This is only like my 6th, 7th, I don't know, 8th, 9th. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing another NERF review. Another one, yes. Today we are reviewing the Retaliator. As you may know, if you've watched the Nerf gun Arsenal 1 and 2, if you haven't, you've got to go check it out. Look, so many Nerf guns, you've got to go check it out. Yeah, so no unboxing because I got this quite a while ago. So let's check this thing out. So yeah, let's go for this just no attachment Retaliator. Once again, this is showing what attachments can do in NERF. Now this last came out when modulus wasn't even a thing, I think. So you know, having this many attachment points back then, I know compared to a Strife it wasn't amazing, but you do get some good attachments with it. Stock, barrel, attachment, tack rail, on the barrel tack rail, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, what does a Retaliator get you? Well, actually it gets a decent starter weapon for you, because when you get more weapons, more Nerf guns even, you can use these attachments for your blaster if it becomes like your favourite blaster. But I got this quite a while ago and it's still going really strong. I mean, yeah. I haven't even shown you how to load and shoot things. We're just like half the way through the video already. So the accuracy is alright. It's obviously not the new extra series. If I just show you extra gun, it's got a decent barrel, but this does give you a lot of range, just bare bones. If you put that on, this decreases the range, but it does add the accuracy. Stock, the reason I use it, it's just comfy. Again, it just doesn't look right like that for me. I'm not a machine gun type guy. Primary assault. So, right, show you how to load it. See this piece here where it says Retaliator Elite, not this Nerf bit. You hold on to that, so the tack rail with the orange bit, hold on to that. And then you push it forward again, but I'm going to show you the jam door, nice black jam door. It says access on it. You probably won't be able to see because it's black. Nice good holes there. The only black what's it called, jam door I've ever known. But yeah, you can access all your jammy G's. I said the same word as I did in the high five review. But yeah, is that even right in it? Yeah, I was just wrong. So yeah, forward, bang, hit the camera. Look at that, boys. So yeah, Retaliator. Oh wait, no. This is the XD version of the Retaliator. This isn't the normal Retaliator, because if I just get one of these, normal elite gun. So yeah, the sling fire. Look, that is what most normal Nerf guns colour scheme will be like. XD. Normal, XD. Normal, XD. Normal, XD. Got it? Give a like if you got it. Yeah. Goes for 12 dart clip. It's really comfy. It's great size for me. I find it does come with a grip, pistol grip, but I'm using that on a different moment because I'm currently recording and therefore, so yeah, not currently, but started it. Yeah, so I find it more comfy like that anyway. I don't really use the grip. And if you have been on Amazon, like I did when I was a bit little, you do cock it like that. That pistol grip doesn't go, which I thought it did, like the Rampage, because, you know, found it somewhere, and that's how I found it. So yeah, that's been my review of the Retaliator, my favourite gun. See you guys all later. Bye.